Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back and Happy New Year, everyone. It was a cool start to 2021, also a quiet one, but let's look back at 2020, just some of the weather highlights, and obviously impacting the state and portions of Acadiana. We had 5 tropical systems, 1 depression, 3 hurricanes, and we won't even get into naming them all, but you know what they were. 2 tropical storms, 1 depression. That was the biggest highlight. Average temperature for Lafayette at about 70.2 degrees, which was about a degree above normal. It wasn't that hot of a year given the recent trends over the last decade or two. A little bit of a pause on that heating. Rainfall wise, we could have had a lot more, but didn't get much in Lafayette. We were about 7 inches above normal with a little over 67 inches of rainfall for the year. Warmest reading in Lafayette was on August 15th. We got up to 98 degrees. We had a couple of days in the mid to upper 90s, but overall not too terribly bad of a summer. Coldest reading, this is a kicker, 30 degrees. That was on December 1st, just a month ago. That we didn't have anything colder than that going back to January, February, earlier in the year. And the wettest was, well, with Hurricane Laura, we had 5.83 inches of rain. Let's hope we can keep this first line down a lot lower going into this coming year. Now, I thought that was kind of interesting today. This is the visible satellite imagery, and with that weather system that came through yesterday, we have plenty of clouds to our west. We're going to talk more about that. But all this white stuff here is the snow from the Big Bend of Texas all the way up through the Abilene area in the Texas-Oklahoma panhandle, where upwards of a foot of snow fell during the course of New Year's Eve. Now, if you want to go out and see it, you better get on the road soon because temperatures will be in the lower 50s next couple of days. So a lot of this snow will melt, but not in some of the higher elevation areas, especially as you get down toward the Big Bend. So some cool stuff there. No cool stuff or, well, cold stuff or winter weather for us anytime soon, but we still have another month and a half to go. There's that weather system still producing snow all the way up through the Midwest. You can see the snow across portions of Texas and then the high plains, now into the Midwest and the Northeast. For us, lingering clouds out there. Those high clouds will stay with us overnight tonight, and some of those lower clouds coming into Acadiana tomorrow, and the graph model is awfully optimistic on evaporating some of those clouds, which certainly could happen, but the way to play it is a little bit more pessimistically. So I'm going to go for more clouds than sun for tomorrow, and if we get more sun, that'll be the bonus. But if anybody's going to see more clouds, it's going to be up toward the northern part of the state. Temperatures start out in the low to mid 40s. Hopefully we clear out by late in the day, but no guarantees on that until tomorrow evening. And it's going to be a chilly one going into tomorrow night as high pressure moves in right overhead. So we do expect temperatures to get down well into the 30s. And then as we head into your Sunday, mostly sunny skies. Sunday is going to be the nice day with highs in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Quick look at the European model showing us even milder temperatures as we head into Monday, mid to upper 60s, and much the same could be said for Tuesday. Now, the next weather system coming in as we head into Wednesday, it's going to be a mild Wednesday. We might get near 70 on Wednesday, then showers, possibly a thunderstorm as we go into Wednesday night, but this one doesn't look like it's going to be a strong weather system or produce much rain, nor have much, if any, severe weather threat, and that is the good news there. And then as we finish out the week, it's going to be getting cooler again, so it's a cool week ahead after warming up for the first couple of days of next week, and it's never too early to start looking at next weekend. And right now, it looks like it's going to be a cool weekend next weekend, maybe some rain developing as we head into Sunday, an overrunning pattern that could lead to a rainy Sunday into Monday time frame, but that's 9, 10, 11 days down the road. Near term tonight, it's going to be a chilly one. Temperatures mid to upper 30s. Again, temperatures could be a few degrees above where we're showing you right now. It's all going to be dependent on the cloud cover, and plenty of those high clouds dulling the moonlight out there tonight. Temperatures lower 40s I-10 corridor to upper 30s and lower 40s to mid 40s across the coastal parishes. And then tomorrow, again, the model picking up on the cloud cover, so will favor lower 50s northern parishes. So it's going to be a chillier day than what we saw today. Low to mid 50s I-10 corridor and much the same down along the coast. And then tomorrow night with clear skies and those light winds, we're going to have a chance of frost, especially for the northern parishes. So covering the plants and taking care of the pets for tomorrow night into Sunday morning for sure. Anywhere along Highway 190 on northward. Of course, meteorologist Bradley Benoit will have the latest readings for you tomorrow. and mid-30s I-10 corridor. Frost possible but not likely, and the same down along the coastal parishes as well. So a typical January night, fair and chilly, plenty of high clouds out there, 42 your low. Then for tomorrow, we'll see a quite cool day, a breeze out of the northwest tomorrow. More clouds than sun, I think, but we'll call it a sun and cloud mix, but cloudy periods, sunny periods tomorrow, 53 the projected high for your Saturday. And then as we go through your 24-hour forecast, again, there's the clouds, temperatures lower 40s going into this time tomorrow night. And as we move through the next 5 days, we'll see milder temperatures ahead early next week, that chance of rain midweek, and then cooler temperatures to finish out the week and going into next weekend, Saturday looking better than the following Sunday. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after this.